Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the physical and software connection. Plug a Lightning or USB-C cable into your car's USB port, then into your iPhone. If your car supports wireless CarPlay, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, watch for the CarPlay pop-up on your iPhone and tap to allow. Make sure CarPlay is enabled under Settings General CarPlay. You're doing this so the car's display can mirror and control compatible apps securely and reliably while driving. Once connected, customize CarPlay so your most used apps are front and center. Open Settings CarPlay and drag apps to rearrange the home screen. You can also add or remove apps from this view. Use the car's touchscreen or physical controls to open Maps, music, or a messaging app. Use Siri for hands-free operation. Hold the steering wheel voice button or say, "Hey Siri," to route, call, or read messages. This reduces distraction and keeps focus on driving. Finish by safely disconnecting. Unplug the cable or turn off wireless CarPlay. The system will drop the session when the car is off. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of your iPhone and the car's infotainment. Check for iOS and head unit updates. Make sure the cable is data-capable and undamaged, and confirm the app is CarPlay compatible in settings. If audio or mic issues persist, test another cable and repair Bluetooth to isolate hardware versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.